Welcome to Document Solutions webinar. My name is Shilpa Sharma. I'm Product Manager for Document Solutions. We are pleased to announce the V7 release, and today I will be presenting the key highlights of this release. So this is the agenda for today's webinar. In Document Solutions for PDF or DsPdf, we have added the new Caret Annotation. In Document Solutions PDF Viewer or DsPdfViewer, we have added the new floating text search bar. In Document Solutions for Excel or DsExcel, we have added a feature to maintain aspect ratio of images in templates. In Document Solutions for Word or DsWord, we have added new picture effects. In Document Solutions Image Viewer or DsImageViewer, we have added new selection tool and the ability to cut, copy, paste image parts, as well as new brightness and contrast filters. Starting with Document Solutions for PDF or DsPdf new features. In this release, we have added new Caret Annotation. This annotation will help you precisely point out missing content in the PDF document by adding this annotation at specific places. And if you need certain changes in the document, you can place the annotation exactly at that position. You can add multiple Caret annotations in the PDF document. The class Caret Annotation is derived from Markup Annotation class. So all the properties of Markup Annotation class are also available in Caret Annotation class. In this code, we have loaded a PDF document in GCPDF document class, and we find certain text after which we want to add the Caret Annotation. We set the properties of the annotation. We set the location at which you want to add the annotation. We set the color with which you want to display the annotation. Save the PDF document and run the code, and this is how the annotation is added at a specific place in the document. In this release, we have supported floating text search bar in DsPdfViewer. This tool supports as you type mechanism, so it will start highlighting the word as you type. It also supports advanced search options to narrow down your search while viewing the document. So you just press Ctrl F and this tool would be available, and you start typing. You can navigate through the search results using previous or next buttons and customize search preferences using advanced settings. There is a new property that has been introduced. It is called Use Floating Search Bar. It is true by default. So when you press Ctrl F, this tool would be available. But if you set it to false, then this search tool would be available on the sidebar on the left. This is the new feature that we have introduced in DsPdfViewer. Moving on to new features in Document Solutions for Excel or DsExcel. Now in Excel files, you would want your images to maintain image aspect ratio so that they don't appear distorted in the final report. So in DsExcel templates, which are meant to prepare Excel reports by defining templates, we have introduced new property image.keepAspect or image.ka. These properties help to ensure that the aspect ratio of the image is maintained, allowing it to fit within the cell size regardless of the height and width. So in this template file, you see that there is an image country that represents the country flag, and we have set image.keepAspect to true. So in the resulting report, this image does not appear stretched to cell width or height. It maintains its aspect ratio and thereby displaying the flag in appropriate size rather than it being stretched when this property is false. So this is the new property that we have introduced this time. Moving on to new features in DsWord. Creating visually appealing documents is a paramount need when working with Word documents. And in V7, DsWord adds new embedded image data class and additions to image data classes to apply picture effects. This enables users to apply diverse range of effects to pictures, and this not only enhances the visual appearance of the document but also streamlines the process of incorporating MS Word supported picture effects through code. So with these two additions, you can accomplish following scenarios like changing picture brightness and contrast, recoloring an image with preset colors, changing image color, or setting transparent color on images, applying various types of picture effects using image effects class, or overlaying a specific color tint onto a picture, and many more such scenarios. So an example here is if you add an image to Word document, you can call picture.imagedata.recolor method and apply recolor type.grayscale enum, or you can set any enum out of the available set of recolor types available. And so when you save the document, this is the modified image with grayscale applied, and this was the original image. So such kind of picture effects you can apply using the new additions in DsWord API. In this release, we have added new selection tool in DsImageViewer. This tool will help you to select particular regions in the image and perform detailed analysis. This tool is available by default in Paint Tools plugin. And these are the 4 tools available: rectangular marquee tool, lasso tool, elliptical marquee tool, and polygonal lasso tool. The rectangular marquee tool will help you to make square or rectangular selections. The lasso tool will help you to draw freehand selections. It will help you to add flexibility to highlight intricate details or irregular shapes. Elliptical marquee tool, it will help you to create perfect round and elliptical selections. And polygonal lasso tool, it will help you to draw polygonal and jagged outlines. It will give you precise control over a chosen area. So what more you can do after making selections using the selection tool? You can make use of Ctrl X, Ctrl C, Ctrl V commands. For example, when you have made selection, you can press Ctrl C and copy the image, and press Ctrl V and then place it at any location in the image. And you can use these commands multiple times. It will help you make duplicate portions of the images. And you can also after making selection, make use of brush settings. You can customize the brush settings like size, hardness, and opacity, and choose your preferred color, and then you can apply it on the specific selection that you can make. For example, here you have set different brush setting, and you can just apply that color within this image. So these are all the scenarios you can now accomplish using the new selection tool and cut, copy, paste abilities in DsImageViewer. In this release, we have made 2 more powerful additions to the repertoire of filters that are supported by DsImageViewer: the brightness and contrast filters. These filters will help you to enhance images, allowing for precise adjustments to highlight specific features in the images and achieve the desired visual impact. The filters are added to the existing image filters plugin on the left side panel. The brightness filter, it will help you to modify the luminosity of the image by fine-tuning the intensity of each pixel's color channel. So this intensity slider is there with the filter. If you move it from 0 to positive values, it will elevate the brightness of the image, and while if you move it to the negative value, it will create a darker image. And the contrast filter, if you make adjustments to the intensity slider, it will help you to adjust the tonal range of the image. Moving the intensity slider within a range of -100 to 100, it will adjust the contrast of the image. With this, we come to the end of the webinar. If you want to view full details of the release, please visit these blog links and send your feedback at this address. Thank you.